Kill her! Kill her!
Jnr, come back here.
Oh gosh, what is it?
Can't you greet? Or am I too small for you to see?
I don't understand. Am I greeting you as if you are my senior? Oh gosh, you slap me!
And I will slap you again if you don't greet me.
Oh gosh, you slap me!
I'll report you to my boyfriend. Just wait and see.
Careful here! They put over with Mamola. Hey! Guess of these days. Mamola. Ha ha ha! Wonders shall never end. The Ebuneta, and nine at battle. The Ebuneta, and nine at battle. Hey! Hey! Crying, K4.
I was on my way coming to your house when I saw Jnr. Jnr asked me why I did not greet him. I was just about to explain when he slapped me and started beating me.
It's a lie. It's a lie. Wait, Jnr, the son of Ono.
Yes.
Ha! Ha! I am going to show him. In fact, I'm going to teach him a lesson he will never forget. Oh yes! Come with me. I will show him the difference between Avatar and this dog. You know how much they say? Ah!
Oh Mariko, oh Mariko, oh Mariko,
oh Mariko, kemongo. Oh Mariko, mwana pwapo. Oh Mariko, wokike. Oh Mariko, mwana pwapo. Odogwu mmụọ. Mụnwa bụ eze nwanyị mmiri Igbo bịara tata ka m tụọrọ gị nzu. Ọ Mariko, nnukwu mmụọ. Amakwa gị nzu. Nzu a nna amaghị tata bụ eke. Asị m na ọ ga-adịkwala anyị na mma. Dịlụ ezinụlọ niile nọ n'obodo a na mma. Dịlụ nwa m nwaanyị na mma. Dịlụ ụmụ niile nọ m n'akụkụ na mma. Ya gazikwe. Wee sị na ewere m odo. Ihe ọbụla bụ ihe ọkụ n'ezinụlọ m. Biko odo anụnwa mee ya ka ọ jụọ oyi. Wee sị na ihe ọbụla bụ ihe ọkụ n'ezinụlọ onye ọbụla nọ na kọmuniti a nọ n'obodo a. Biko nekwe amarị nga edo. Wee sị biko ka ihe niile dị ọkụ jụọ oyi n'ezinụlọ ha n'otu n'otu. Ya gazikwe na taa bụ eke ga-eketara anyị ihe ọma. Kepụla anyị ndị ajọ mmadụ. Kepụla anyị ndị uke. Kepụla anyị ndị ekwensu. Otu nsikwu ya ka ọ ga-esi wee dị. Maka na ọsọ ọjị nji n'aka, ọsọ ọjị adị eje aja ije. Ekenekwe nga ọ Mariko. Tata adịkwala anyị na mma. Ya gazie. Mgbe sio na mụnwa bụ eze nwaanyị mmiri Ugo. Ewela ọjị n'ụbọchị tata bụ eke. Ọjị gbala ịnọ. Ọjị aja ekpe ile ọma. Asị m ka m na-ekpe ile ọma na ọ ga-adịlụ m n'ezinụlọ m na mma. Asị m na ile ọma ka ejune ji aga n'ogu. Ile ọma ka idide ji awa ana. Ọ ile ọma ka m ji wee bịa. Anụ m anụ ihe ị na-ekwu. Asị m na ọ ga-adịlụ m na mma, dịlụ obodo a na mma. Dịlụ ezinụlọ niile nọ n'obodo a na mma. Otu nsikwu ka ọ ga-esi wee dị. N'orie na afọ na nkwọ na eke na afịa niile oge n'ịnọ. Ya gazikwe na ọfọ kwụ ọtọ. Ọ Mariko, ị ga-ata n'ugwu. Mmụọ niile na-agagharị unu ga-ata n'ugwu. Aja na unu ga-ata n'ugwu. Oke mmiri, oke osimiri unu ga-ata n'ugwu. Mana anyị nwa ga-ata n'ibe. Wee sị na ekene gị n'ụbọchị tata bụ eke. Eke ketekwara anyị ihe ọma. Eke ketara anyị ihe ọma. Eke ketara anyị ihe ọma. Eke ketara anyị ihe ọma. Wee sị na ọfa nna agọ na nna agụ ya n'aha eze Chitoke na ndị mbụ na ndị egede na anyanwụ na agbara n'oke osimiri na ọ Mariko ise. Ọ Mariko, ọ Mariko.
Ọ Mariko.
Ọ Mariko nwoke ọma.
Ọ Mariko.
Nwoke ọma na-apụ apụ.
Ọ Mariko.
Ọ Mariko nwokike.
Ọ Mariko.
Ọ Mariko nwokike.
Ọ Mariko.
So you have the impetus and guts to touch my baby in this village. Who does that? Ifeanyi, I swear with Mariko, the God of peace and thunder, Ogochukwu, your girlfriend here, was the first to slap me.
Eh? Baby, it's a lie, yo. He was the one that slapped me first.
Hey, Ogochukwu Nasika. Ogochukwu, when a woman slaps you, you turn the other cheek, and when she slaps you again, you say thank you. Is that honest? Is that honest? Idiot. Teach him a lesson. After which, I will deal with him. Now, come on, stretch your hand. 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 Yalla. Okay, that's stretch your hand. Yalla. Teach him a lesson.
Jnr.
Ay,
sorry. What happened to you? Sorry.
Mirima, it's a long story. How about your mother, Ezenwine, the great keeper of Omaliko, the god of peace and thunder?
She's fine. But I insist you tell me what happened to you.
Okay. If you insist, I will tell you. On my way back from the stream this morning, I walked past Ogoshuku. She called me back and requested I must greet her first.
Wait, that's Ogochukwu, the orphan, Ifeanyi's friend.
Yes, Ifeanyi's girlfriend. Before I knew what was happening, she slapped me first. I had no other option than to beat her up. She ran off, went and told her boyfriend Ifeanyi. Both of them met me on the stream and gave me the beating of my life.
That useless Ifeanyi that goes around smoking, causing havoc in this village. My mother will hear this.
Please. Mirima, my love. Please. Don't tell your mother. You know your mother is the great keeper and the servant of Omaliko, the great god of peace and thunder. Please, don't tell her. She may get angry and call down thunder to strike them. Please. I don't want to be the cause of anybody's death in this village. Please, don't tell your mother. My love, please, don't tell your mother.
Okay. I'll give you some herbs for you to drink and the one you apply on this wound.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Lead the way.
Omaliko, 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 Mokoma, Omaliko, 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 Woketegete, Omaliko, 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 Alusi Weli Bobo, Omaliko, ya na Toyota Alusi jelogo bulisi nata Mwana Pop weli febata Alusi bulisi bwabwa nuku mongu Onyato na maliko Onye lini for maliko nori maka ọ na-egbu onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ ogbu onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ nnukwu alụsị nwere Igbo bụ Ọmaliko alụsị na-echekwa ebe ndị ike ya anya bụ alụsị na-egbugbu egbu Ọmaliko Ọmaliko nnukwu mmọnwụ Igbo nọ n'ọgbọ ọ bụ onye ga-akwudo ma Ọmaliko pụta alụsị ga-agbapụta obodo awala ọsọ alụsị pụta n'ọgbọ obodo dolu jinjin Ọmaliko Ọmaliko Ọmaliko, 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 Nwokoma, Ọmaliko, 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 Nwoketegete, Ọmaliko, 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 alụsị nwere Igbo bụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ alụsị jelogo bulisi nata mmụọ na-apụ apụ weli ife bata alụsị bulisi bụ agba mmọnwụ ọmaliko 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 nwoke ọma ọmaliko 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 nwoke teghete ọmaliko 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 alụsị nwere ibo bụ onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ alụsị jelọgụ bụlisi nata mmụọ na-apụ apụ wele ife bata alụsị bụlisi bụ agba nnukwu mmọnwụ onye achọ na ọmaliko okwu onye lili ọmaliko n'ori maka ọ na-egbu onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ.
Baby, this man said he wants to talk to you.
Everything okay?
Yes, good day, young man.
Yes, good day. How can I be of help?
My name is Mr. Christopher. I have a business proposal, but I want us to discuss it privately.
Oh! No. This is my baby. My other half. So whatever you want to discuss, you can discuss it in our presence. Yes. Sit down. Yes, discuss. You care for this?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, you see, I was told that you are the strongest man in this village. And the only man with the heart of a lion that you can deliver.
You came to the right place.
Yes.
So what is the business?
This business will fetch you 1 million naira the moment you deliver.
Consider it done. Oh yes. So what is the business?
I want you to deliver the head of Omaliko.
of all this one. I'm tired. Shift.
I said she shift. Shift. This one, just shift. Shift.
It's not a space like this. No, we are sent out from school because of school fees.
What are you even saying, before we could go back to that school, we have to pay for 2 terms. And you know we didn't pay for last term school fees. And what is all this now? What is all this now? I'm tired.
You don't even have hope on where to get that money from. Our brother Ifan is not doing anything. He's just walking around the village.
You are still talking about that one. Did you eat this morning before going to school? Did you eat anything? Me, I'm very, very hungry. I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. Oh, me, I'm tired of it.
What are you two doing here? Are you not supposed to be in school?
Good afternoon, brother. Good afternoon.
Is that the answer to my question? I said, what are you doing here?
Brother, we are sent out from school because of school fees. We have not paid for 2 terms.
Yes, brother. And we have not eaten anything since morning. I'm very hungry. We are hungry. We have not eaten since morning.
It's alright. I will see what I can do about that.
Brother, this is the same thing you said in the morning. And now we are back. There is still nothing to cook.
Now both of you go inside and change. I will go out and look for yam.
But that was what we ate last night. And now we are talking about yam again. Me, I cannot eat that food. I don't.
Come on, will you go.
Oh, me, I'm tired of eating yam in this house. I don't want to eat this house again. I don't want to eat yam in this house again.
Look at them. Look at their heads. And your mate's not married.
Baby, you have to consider this. We are talking about 1 million naira here. You are a strong man. I know you can do it.
Come to think of it, Omaliko is the god of peace and thunder. My father told me that he killed the white men who came here to buy slaves. Each and every one of them. It's a powerful God.
So you still believe those old tales told by our father and grandfather? Baby, some of them are lies.
Well, I am so confused. So confused because my sisters were sent out of school because of school fees. I have not paid school fees for 2 terms now.
You see why we need to do this business. This is good business. You need to do this business and get the money to send your sisters to school and even take them to the city. Remember when we get married, we need to start up a business. We need to do this business, baby.
Yeah. Before I came out here, they were both crying because they have not eaten for 2 days. God, I'm so confused.
Baby, you don't have to be confused. Poverty is a disease. And we have seen the medicine. Mr. Christopher promised to give us 1 million naira once we are able to get him the head of Omaliko, the god of thunder. We can't afford to miss this money, oh.
Yes, okay. Okay. I agree with you. As the master planner, how do we get ourselves into the shrine, the sacred shrine of the great Omaliko, the god of peace and thunder? How do we do that without being struck by thunder?
Now you are talking. I have a plan.
What is it?
Greetings, Meima, the sacred daughter of Ezewanyo Maliko.
Greetings, Babachukwu.
I wanted to apologize for what happened the last time that I had issues with your friend, Jnr. You know you are the servant of the God of peace and thunder. Please, forgive me.
Okay, I have forgiven you. Always allow peace to reign. Let love lead.
Thank you so much. Why didn't you go to the shrine today with your mother?
Okay, I will tell you. You are my fellow girl. I'm seeing my flow. And no one is allowed to enter the great shrine of Omaliko when seeing her period. It is forbidden.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
But why is it so?
My mother told me a woman flow deactivates the great power of Omaliko. It blinds the gods and they hate it.
Yes, you.
Yay! Go help me. I'll pluck some leaf. Which one will I pluck?
Omaliko, 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 Wokoma, Omaliko, 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 Woketegete, Omaliko, 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 Alusi Weni.
Call me Ogo baby. Hey!
What is that? This Ogo baby?
Say it again.
Ogo baby.
My love.
Yes.
I have finally gotten the master key on how to blind Omaliko and carry its head.
You're shouting. Trees have ears. Whisper, don't shout. How?
I had a discussion with Mirima,
Yes.
the daughter of Ezewanyo.
Okay.
And she told me that no one enters the shrine of Omaliko when she is on a flower. That the blood deactivates the power.
She told you that?
Bam.
Ah! So what is the plan?
And I'll be seeing my period next week.
Okay.
So that next week, we attack. Carry the head.
The shrine. Come here.
Baby,
Yes.
very soon we are going to be married. Yes!
Of course, I can't wait. And Mr. Christopher said he'll be coming next tomorrow. That's what
I told you I am a master planner.
No, you are good at it. You are blessed with it.
Hey!
See, I will wait for you in that secret place. Later in the evening, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Let me run.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
Latest millionaire.
I'm walking like this.
Hey!
Sacred One, I came with these foodstuffs to beg you, and also I'm here for you to intercede on my behalf and beg Omaliko, the great God of peace and thunder, to heal my sick father. My sick father is the only one I have, and he is lying sick in the house. Please, Sacred One, please, Wise One, beg Omaliko to heal my father. I would like you to visit my abode and heal my father, Sacred One.
Mama, the sacred womb that gave birth to the daughter of Omaliko, please, listen to Jnr cry and beg Omaliko on his behalf.
Jnr,
Sacred One,
the son of Onowagumba, Omaliko is the God of peace. He always wants the best for his children. I know you have none where you brought this foodstuff. Take this foodstuff back. I will come and heal your father. Omaliko will heal your father.
thank you, Sacred One. May Chukwu, the all-knowing deity, Anyanwụ na Agbala, ndị mmiri na ndị ikuku, Ajani, bless you and your household. Thank you so much.
Go home. Omaliko have seen your pure heart.
Thank you, Sacred One.
It's okay. Go home.
Thank you, Sacred One.
Thank you, Nemu.
It's okay. I will do my best. Omaliko will heal his father. Huh?
Daughter of the Sacred One.
Greetings, Ifani, son of late Ojukwu.
I was actually on my way to your house, but thank the gods I met you here.
You can still go to the house. My mother Ezenwai, she's at home.
No need. I wanted to actually come and ask the days you and your mother go to the shrine and the days you don't go. I have this very important land case. I wanted to come and report to the great Omaliko. Yes, my uncle is dragging the only piece of land that my late father left for me.
We only go to Omaliko Shrine on Eke market days. But wait, your late father is the only son I know. You don't have an uncle.
Yes, you're very correct, but this uncle is from my mother's side.
My mother told me that your mother is from Nnewi. How come your mother's people are dragging your land with you?
Never mind, daughter of the Great One. I will come to the shrine to explain to your mother. Greetings.
How did it go?
Not funny. Milimba, that girl is a smart girl. Bakachku, she almost caught me off balance.
How?
Do you know I told her I told the girl that I wanted to come to the shrine. Yes, so that I can know the days that she and her mother goes to the shrine and the days they don't go. I was able to discover that they go to the shrine only on Eke market days.
Oh.
Every other day is free.
And that means we can attack any day apart from Eke market day.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I told her that I have a land dispute with one of my uncles. And she told me that I don't have any uncle. I lied again. That this uncle is from my late mother's side. And she told me again that my late mother is from Dewi. How come she knows everything about my family?
Baby.
My dear.
Her mother is a wine. Knows everybody in this our small village. But I hope nothing spoiled.
No, the moment I sensed danger, I left.
Okay, in that case, tomorrow we'll go and meet with Mr. Christopher.
Oh, yes. Yes, Mr. Christopher said he will be coming tomorrow.
Yes. And I will also be seeing my period on the next Afro Market Day. So on that day, we attack.
Okay. Subaduro.
Maybe I'm very tired. I want to start.
Me too. It's okay, my love.
Papa! Be still. You will not stand up. You will take enough water. Tomorrow you can stand up. Omaliko has healed you. May his name be praised.
You say, thank you so much, Ezenwai.
You're welcome.
May Chukwu, the all-knowing deity, Anyanwụ na-agbala, ndị mmiri na ndị ikuku, aja and umudim, bless and keep your household.
You're welcome. You're blessed, my son.
Thank you so much.
I'll take my leave now.
Papa, hope you're getting better. Yeah. May the name of Omaliko be praised, both now and forever. He said,
Omaliko, Wokoma.
My lovely sisters,
Brother.
don't worry, okay? By this time next week, both of you will go back to school.
Hey!
Yes.
Hey, brother!
I can't wait to go back to school.
Oh, like I said, plans are being made to see both of you back to school. Huh?
Hey, brother. Brother, you really tried. Brother, but you know it's not only school fees. And there's no food stuff in this house. And you know for the past few days now, we have not been eating well. We really need some food stuff.
You have not been eating well, but you're adding weight. Okay. It's a miracle. Okay. You know what? Take this money. Huh?
Hey, brother.
Yes, go and buy something.
Brother, thank you so much. Thank you. Carry on. Wait.
Every time you're shouting at your little sister, that's okay. Now both of you should share, okay?
Okay, brother. Okay.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Okay. Thank you.
Take it easy on your sister. Oh, yeah.
What is keeping this man now?
Don't worry, he will soon be here.
Are you even sure this man is still coming?
Just have a little patience. He said he will be here. I told him let us meet here. And I'm sure he's going to come. I said, don't worry now. He said he'll be here. Let's just have a little patience.
Yes. Good day, Mr. Fine.
Yes, good day, Mr. Christopher.
Good day, sir.
Yes. Have you both accepted the offer?
Yes, as a matter of fact, yes. We would want you to come here next after market day. Yes, it will be ready for you. Hope our money will be ready too.
Yes, of course it will be ready.
1 million naira.
1 million naira, no problem.
Sir, we don't want story. Money for hand, goods for hand.
Yes, don't worry, my dear. Eh? Everything is ready. Your cash is there. Give me the goods, I give you the cash.
Okay, next after market day. Meet us here.
Okay.
Yes, we have to leave now to avoid seasons.
Money is power. 1 million naira.
Oh Mariko, 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 won't come on.
Good day, Papa.
Jnr. I hope all is well.
Papa, I had a bad dream.
Can I hear about it?
Papa, don't worry. All is well.
Okay. If you say so. Ana m eje meeting ndị ụmụnna. I'll come back in evening time. Make sure you take care of the house.
Okay, Papa. Papa Nabo.
What type of dream is this?
I think I have to inform the secret family about it.
Yes.
As name Ngwangwe Meradashi. My love, I had a terrible dream.
Tell me about it.
I saw your mother, the great Ezewine, and the shrine of Omaliko. Suddenly, Ogochukwu entered with a knife. She stabbed your mother, Ezewine, turned and smiled at me, and I woke up.
This is strange. That reminds me. She kept begging last week, saying she's sorry for beating you up.
Who came begging?
Ogochukwu.
Ogochukwu came begging that she's sorry. Ha.
Okay. hope she have apologized to you.
My love, since that last incident, I have not set my 2 eyes on Oguchukwu. I have not seen her since the last incident between us. This is very strange. Something must be wrong somewhere.
This is strange. This is strange. I have to tell my mother about this dream.
Yes, my love. You have to tell your mother about this dream. I sense danger ahead. You have to tell your mother. Please. Obi. Okay. My one and only. Amoma San. Please, baby, my love. Accept my proposal. I would like to spend the rest of my life with you. Please. Please, my love. Accept my proposal, please.
You know the tradition.
Tradition?
I can't get married to anyone that is not accepted by the gods. When my mother joins her ancestors, Maliko will choose a husband for me. So pray you be the one.
Every morning, I will pour liberation to my sheep, making her to intercede for me. With my collar, I will speak to Anyanwu Nabala, begging them Miri and Ikuku, and also ask Ajani to intercede on my behalf, so that when the time comes, I will spend the rest of my life with you. When the time comes, Amaliko will make me the chosen one. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Take this bead. This is a sign of my love to you. I would like to spend the rest of my life with you, Bobby. I love you so much.
Where's the money? Wait, let me confirm it first. Hurry up, sir. Wait. Give her the money. Hope is complete. Yes. Okay. Hope is complete. Yes. I don't know you don't know me.
Omaliko, 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 Wokoma, Omaliko, 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 Woketegete, Omaliko, Omaliko, Omaliko.
I'll be going home now, huh?
Okay, I'll have to hurry home now, so that by the time Ezenwai finds out that the head of Omaliko is missing, the villagers will not suspect us.
Hi! Master planner. Okay, bye.
Oh.
You're not forgetting something.
What?
What is what? The money now, you're saying what? I'm the man, I'm supposed to hold the money.
But I thought the money would be safe with me now.
Why do you think it will be safe with me?
Be safe with you, with those your two sisters?
My sisters, they don't enter my room. My room is sacred. Okay? To be safe with me. I'm the man here.
Oh, now you know you are the man. But you didn't know you were the man when it was time to enter the shrine and carry the sacred head of Omaliko. You were not the man then, Abi.
That is because I'm not the one seeing my period. You're the one seeing your period. Give it. Huh? You're holding it strong. Look, what am I? Ogachu. Napo Egwa. Don't worry, I'll send you the recharge card here.
Make sure you keep the money safe, oh.
It's alright.
What is it?
Why?
Hey! What is it, DJ? Tell me, what is it?
Why? On my way to shake my trap in the Miriago forest.
Hey! Tell me, what is it?
I saw your only daughter, Milima, lying dead under the orchard.
No! No! The gods of our land! Amarito! No! No! May the gods forbid!
my body. My body. Hey! Hey! Oh! Adobe! Hey! Adobe! Adobe! Ugazi! Why are these children? Adobe! Ugazi! Oh, wow! Ugazi! Hey! Ugazi! What do you mean by what is it? Who entered my room? My 1 million is on fire. Who entered my room?
But we don't know. We went to see our friend.
I want to see your friend. My friend will not start talking before I can.
Yes, brother, we left before you.
You left before me. The body I kept inside my room and locked the door. It's burning out here. And you tell me you don't know? Hey!
What is it?
Oh God. Oh God, baby, look at our body.
Which money? Which money?
1 million naira. I came, I saw it burning.
Hey, what happened?
I don't know. That's what I was asking.
Hey!
What happened to my body?
Hey!
Hey!
So the naira is gone just like that.
Both of you will answer to.
Hey!
Both of you will answer to.
Hey!
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 Hey! How did who entered my room?
Hey!
Who entered my room? Both of you are in trouble. Both of you are in trouble.
So this 1 million naira is gone just.
Good day, everyone. Good day, my child. Mama, everything is going to be fine. Oh God, Chuku. Where do I start from? Tell me, where do I start from? The sacred mask of Omaliko is missing. My only child is dead. Tell me, where have I gone wrong? What did I do to deserve this kind of punishment from Omaliko? Tell me. Chilku, the all-knowing deity, knows the best. Everything is going to be fine very soon. Mirima, whosoever is involved in your death will never see tomorrow. That person will never go unpunished. My G will fight my battle for me. Will fight my battle for me. They will fight! Fight no for Akwaneke! head of Omaliko is gone. Mirima is dead. And the money God wants. I still don't understand this kind of mission. I am very confused.
I am more confused than you are. Up till now, I still don't understand how the money got bought. I don't.
What do you think we'll do?
I don't know. The main reason I did what I did was because I wanted to pay the school fees of my sisters. I don't want them to complain about hunger anymore, and even the promises I made to you about relocating to the city, none can be fulfilled.
Hey.
And the worst case scenario, I am a murderer. I have blood on my hands.
Don't you think we should go and confess this in one?
Don't! How dare you? Confessed what? Do you know what the villagers will do to us? Do you? They will bury us alive. In fact, they will burn us alive. Don't you ever say that again.
I'm sorry about that. But, so what do we do now?
I thought you were the master planner. Plan something. Think.
Ezamai, I greet you.
You're welcome.
Ezamai, you sobodo. Nukun sobodo. Ibe kante dabalunte nono. Since the days of our forefathers, the sacred marks of Omaliko has never gone missing before. I got a and cash, man. Umuruni my ben milisi bano pi wagro. I wouldn't need here. We walk on Siono. We want to see you on a game market day. I'm leave a melono.
Oh no. Oh no.
There's a wine.
Tell the elders I'll be with them on a market day.
I am sorry for the death of your daughter. There is nothing anybody can do about it. Is a wine. May our chi be with you and also console you.
Say, Gigo Corner.
Mabia can never. I call the region one.
It's okay. Oh.
I know. I'm hungry as well. Just go and fetch firewood. We have only one piece of yam left. You scared me.
Ngozi! Ngozi! Go! Ngozi! 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 Ngozi, my God. Ngozi, what happened to you? Ugo! Ugo, brother is here. Oh, my sister. Therefore, what did I do? Why my sister dead? Why? Why? How can you go and take one of my sisters? Oh, Kefa Begi. Kefa Begi. Oh, Kefa Begi. Hey! Can I beg a bit? Can I beg a bit? Oh!
Baby, it's okay. God knows the best.
Or could it be Omaliko? Could it be Omaliko that killed my sister?
Do you think so?
I don't know what to think again. Oh, I don't know what to think. Oh! Barajilo, if Omaliko was looking for who to kill, it should have been you. Yes, because you were the one who took it from its position.
And how sure are you that it has not killed me?
What nonsense are you talking about? I don't understand.
I was just joking.
Hey!
Baby, I think we should go and confess to Ezenwai.
Are you mad? Confess, Giri. Are you insane? Ogochukwu, respect yourself. Don't you ever try that nonsense again. Don't ever speak that nonsense from me. Confess what? Ogochukwu, machapo idea. In that parlor.
I'm sorry.
Oh! 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 My beautiful sister. Can I beg you? Where do I go to? Where do I start from? Where do I... Ah! Beautiful sister.
Hi. Okay. My one and only. Amoma-san, please, baby, my love, accept my proposal. I would like to spend the rest of my life with you. Please. Please, my love. Accept my proposal, please.
You know the tradition.
Tradition.
I can't get married to anyone that is not accepted by the gods. When my mother joins her ancestors, Omaliko will choose a husband for me. So pray you'll be the one.
Every morning, I will pour liberation to my sheep, making her to intercede for me. With my collar, I will speak to Anyanwụ N'Abala, begging them Mmiri and Ikuku, and also ask Ajani to intercede. on my behalf so that when the time comes, I will spend the rest of my life with you. When the time comes, Omaliko will make me a choosing woman. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Take this bead. This is a sign of my love to you. I would like to spend the rest of my life with you, oh baby. I love you so much.
Jnr.
Please stop crying.
Mirima was the only friend I had in this village. Now she's gone.
She's not gone. She's always here with you.
How? I don't understand.
I mean, now that she's dead, she's a spirit, so she will always be with you.
Where did you get this bead from?
I picked it on the road on my way to the stream yesterday.
This is the exact bead I gave Mirima the last time we met.
Maybe it's same thing. That's actually a proof that she's with you.
Ogochukwu. You speak in parables. I don't understand.
Don't worry, Jnr. I'll always watch over you.
You always watch over me. As in, how? I don't understand.
Don't worry, my love.
Yeah.
I'll see you later, okay?
I don't understand. The beat. Something is wrong somewhere.
Ada! Ada, bye! Ada! Ada, Adobe! Ada! Help! Somebody help me because anybody! Adobe!
I'm so lonely. My child, where are you, Mirima, my child? I'm so lonely. My child. My child, good day. How do you know I need water? May my chi bless you.
You say, and Mama, I also want to prepare your favorite for you, egusi soup and pounded yam.
May my chi bless you. And how do you know egusi soup and pounded yam is my favorite? My child. It's okay, you can go and prepare it. May Zechito Kabiama bless you. Bless you, no, for now, Koneke. You're welcome, my child.
My love, what is it?
My only sister. My only sister is dead.
Now you have no one left.
What did you just say?
The evil that men do lives with them.
Hello. Yes. The sacred mask of Omaliko is now with me. Now. Yes. I hope my 5 million naira is ready. Look, I don't need to transfer. I want cash. Young lady, what are you doing here? I thought I'm done doing business with you and define.
Yes, we are done with the physical business. Now it's time to do the spiritual business.
Trying spiritual.
nwoke tegete. Omaliko, alụsị nwere ibobo. Onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ. Alụsị jelọgụ bụ n'isi nata. Mmụọ na-apụ apụ wele ife bata. Alụsị bụ n'isi bụ agba nnukwu mmọnwụ. Onye atọ na Maliko okwu. Ihe niile ife Maliko. Onye bụ onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ. Ọ bụ onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ. Alụsị nwere Igbo bụ Maliko. Alụsị na-echekwebe ndị nke ya. Anya bụ alụsị na-egbugbu egbu. Maliko, nnukwu mmụọ nwere Igbo nọ n'ọgbọ. Ọ bụ onye ga-akwudo mmụọ Maliko pụta. Alụsị ga-agbapụta obodo awala ọsọ. Alụsị pụta n'ọgbọ obodo delu jinjin. Maliko n'ọgbọ. Ọ bụ onye ga-akwudo mmụọ Maliko pụta. Alụsị ga-agbapụta obodo awala ọsọ. Alụsị pụta n'ọgbọ obodo delu jinjin. Maliko. Maliko, nwoke tegete. Maliko, alụsị nwere ibobo. Onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ. Alụsị jelọgụ bụ n'isi nata. Mmụọ na-apụ apụ wele ife bata. Alụsị bụ n'isi bụ agba nnukwu mmọnwụ.
Good day, second one.
Who is after you?
On my way to the farm, I saw Ogochukwu with the sacred mask of Maliko.
How? Where? When?
On my way to the farm, some seconds ago, I saw Ogochukwu with the sacred mask of Maliko. The missing mask! I saw her with it!
Let's go!
Maliko, nwoke ọma. Maliko, nwoke tegete. Maliko, alụsị nwere ibobo. Onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ. Alụsị jelọgụ bụ n'isi nata. Mmụọ na-apụ apụ wele ife bata. Alụsị bụ n'isi bụ agba nnukwu mmọnwụ. onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ ogbu onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ nnukwu alụsị nwere Igbo bụ ọmaliko alụsị na-echekwebe ndị ji ya anya bụ alụsị na-egbugbu egbu ọmaliko ọmaliko nnukwu mmụọ nwere
Ọmaliko! Ọmaliko! N'eze Chitoke Abiama, the all-knowing deity, ndị mkpụrụ ndị egere aja na n'oke osimiri. May you all be praised!
Ise!
Ọmaliko, Ọmaliko,
ọmaliko nwoke ọma ọmaliko 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 nwoke teghete ọmaliko 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 alụsị nwere Igbo bụ ọbụ onye mgbe ndụ ya na-atụ ya ụtọ alụsị jelọgụ bulisi nata mmụọ na-apụ apụ were ife bata alụsị bulisi bụ agba nnukwu mmọnwụ onye achọ na ọmaliko okwu onye lili ife ọmaliko n'ori